Hi, my name is Nika and I'm the Clinical Program Manager of Restore Children and Family Services. On behalf of our entire team, I want to take this moment to thank Wushu Central for your continued partnership and support. Your generosity has made it possible for us to provide trauma recovery services for children, youth, and their families who have been through difficult experiences. Because of your commitment, they are now beginning to heal and find the strength, tools, and hope that they need to move forward. Wushu Central has been more than a fundraising partner. Your commitment has truly shown us what it means to care for the community. We're grateful for all that you have done for us, and we're looking forward to continuing this meaningful journey together. Together, we can help restore those who are broken and lost. We can provide hope to those who need it the most, and we can build a future where healing is possible for every child and their family. Thank you, Wushu Central, for your partnership with us and for standing with us in making a lasting difference in the community. Thank you!